Okay, so where we left it was just managed to create this first go at parsing. So what we're actually getting is double optional, because this int can return an optional if this isn't really transferable, convertible into a string. So this count thing is probably a bit wrong. So what we're going to do is try and modify it a bit so it fails here. So we've got a non-zero digit. Well, we know that that has to be an integer. We also know we've got default, so maybe I'll just do that. That's better. Right, we've got rid of one of the question marks. Goodness sake, we always, default count of 1 is useful for us to have. We could introduce something that I think there's an always parser we could do, but we know that this is going to that's always going to give us that, so it's kind of redundant, but better safe than sorry, eh? So this compiles a count off of beginning of something. We can get D, so if we wanted counted D, for instance, like really what we want to make this D something a bit more interesting. So D should be take the count, then take the literal D, which is prefix. Let's see how this works again. Something like that. We want a prefix of, for now, going to do a key code string. I'll take key code D. And this doesn't get anything, because prefix is something we wanted to get, we need to make it subsequence. Okay. Let's try the way they've done it. Oh, okay, hold on. Let's tell it as a key code. Dot subsequence. The way they've done it is this. Oh, okay. My count is in doesn't like this. Pretty sure it's not going to like that either. Count. So this is a key code. Okay, that's all parsing now. Not sure I like what it's doing, to be honest. We've got D. Oh, you don't need that. Okay, all we need is that. Right, so that's compiling. Can I get rid of this? Yep, that works. Cool. So we're making my D parser. That gives you see what we've got as a result. That's interesting. So we've got our 4, which is our integer, and we've got this array slice of key code 2. So I guess this is giving us array slice, which I suppose is reasonable. We want to convert that. We know it's that, so we want to map that to something which we're eventually going to make into a command. Straight to the unit. Oops. D count. So just like that. You have a command. Okay, I think that's concludes this session. What have we done? We've made a D parser that parses that we can use to parse key code 4D, and we end up with a command from this enum of D with a count of 4. That's shown there. So that's the start of my key code to Vim command parser. It's quite a lot to go, obviously. I forgot to make this larger. I'll try to remember next time to do this in presentation.